Hi everyone, today I'm here with Yvan and in Donald, British Columbia. Hi Yvan.
How are you doing today?
Good, good. And I just want to ask you a little bit about your family and where you moved from in Canada. So you're originally from Quebec, right?
Yeah, that's right, Grand Bay.
And why did you move out here originally, your family?
Oh, in 1961 there was a mad cow disease in Quebec, and my dad he was given $100 a head for his cattle, his dairy cow, and he moved everybody out west to something. He was looking for something different to do.
So
Yeah.
that's amazing. And so that you just dropped everything, your family dropped everything, sold everything, moved out west. And what did you do out west?
Actually, he started logging. He got into actually first he got into diamond drilling
Oh, really?
up at High River. Yeah.
Okay.
And when he was working underground, he kind of got blinded himself a bit.
Oh, really?
So it was kind of a dangerous thing. He was gone for a year at a time.
The conditions, the working conditions weren't too good at the time.
They weren't too good at the time. Not in those years there.
No.
So then we end up moving down to Cranbrook, BC, is when he started logging. He got into logging with one of his brothers.
Okay.
And from there, that's where we all moved. When we moved across Canada, there was 8 of us at the time.
Wow.
And he loaded up, put his mattress in the back of the station wagon, and we drove cross country.
That's amazing.
Oh yeah, yeah, it is, yeah.
And so when you came here, I'm guessing you guys all spoke French together.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. When we were at home, we had to speak French to mom and dad.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That was the rule.
that was the rule. That's right. Yeah, yeah.
And did you go to French school or English school growing up?
No, in those days there was no French school. It was
Okay.
yeah. You did learn French in school,
Yeah.
but, as a regular subject. But no, it was all English school.
So I'm sure you were the best in your class in French for sure.
Oh yeah. It wasn't that bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, it is a totally different French than what they talk about for in school than, the Paris French instead of the Quebec French is totally quite a bit of different words in that, eh?
For sure, for sure.
Yeah.
And is there any French community around here in BC?
Actually, there is. There's a French school here in Golden itself.
Really?
And yeah, and there is a lot of French people around Golden area here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that speak French.
I didn't know that. So are they new immigrants, let's say, from Quebec, or when did they come here? Their family?
Oh, wow. See, in the logging the industry, there's a lot of French people that came up and did logging there.
Okay.
And so this is, Golden is a good, big logging town.
Really?
Yeah, and there's still quite a few French families around the Golden area.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
And when did you start this campsite here?
Actually, we brought it in 2002.
Okay.
We took over the campground. So it's 19 years ago.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
And what did you do before that?
I've been self-employed all my life. So I was doing, I had my own siding company, roofing company in Calgary.
Wow.
And so we did lots of hailstorm in Calgary at that time. And we made enough money to buy this place here.
Wow. And how's the climate here in Donald?
A lot better than Calgary. We don't get oh yeah. Our summers is hot. Our average temperature is maybe -10, -12.
Okay.
Yeah, and for the winter time. Snowfall, while we're in the snow belt here, some years we get 6 feet dump. Some years, yeah, usually it's 6 feet, and I gotta stay here and keep the roads open up all the time because we got a mobile home park here on site also.
Okay.
And
Does that stay open all winter?
that stays open all winter.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
Yeah, even some of my cabins and that we keep open for the winter time we get lots of sledders that come up
Okay.
for skidooing and that.
Wow.
So they're parked their trailer on site here and
That's
yeah.
great. That's
Yeah.
great. It's a great business.
oh yeah, it's been fun. I mean, my son is ready to take it over when we're done
Okay.
and that. So basically we're just trying to get everything all ticky-do for him when he takes it over. It won't cost him so much.
For sure. For sure.
Yeah.
And is your son was in school, did he go to French school? Was he able to at that time or no?
No, he went to English school.
Yeah.
Yeah, because in Calgary, so they kind of grew up in English, So it was one big joke that me and Norman would say, because we're both French.
Yeah.
And if we want to talk about the kids, we would talk about in French. If they want to know what we want to talk about, well, learn French in school.
That's good. That's good. All right, Ivan. Well, thank you so much for doing this.
Hey, no
interview.
problem there.